NB Parts presents Professional Refurbishment of Brake Calipers. This is Peter. Peter drives many different types of vehicles: a sports car, a young-timer, an old-timer, a tractor, a construction machine and a motorcycle. Every now and then it happens to Peter that a brake caliper of one of his vehicles is broken. For a sports car, a new brake caliper is often too expensive, and for the old-timer, there are usually no longer any original parts. But for Peter it is important that his original part remains an original part. We, the company NB Parts, have the perfect solution for Peter's problem: the professional refurbishment of brake calipers, of all brake systems and all car brands. How it works: first, send in the brake caliper; second, have the brake caliper reconditioned; and third, get the brake caliper back. So Peter simply downloads the refurbishment formula, fills in all fields and packs the formula together with his defective brake caliper in a package, and sends it to us. Peter has it particularly easy with us. Depending on the workload and the condition of the brake caliper, we restore the defective brake caliper to its original new condition. Then we send the refurbished original brake caliper back to Peter. Usually, depending on the amount of work, the reconditioning of your brake caliper takes 2 to 3 weeks. On request, we send you your brake caliper as an express delivery. Each brake caliper is tested and examined after receipt by one of our specialists. The refurbishment process, documentation, disassembly into all individual parts, the inventory, and assessment takes place. Our order confirmation by email. This is followed by customer approval and placement of order. At the beginning of the refurbishment, the gray cast iron parts are cleaned by sandblasting. The aluminum housings are then stripped of paint and cleaned in an ultrasonic bath. The final powder coating is available in different colors. There is also the option of your own RAL color. Now, there is a surface microstructure post-treatment, the final assembly, and the final acceptance. Send in the brake caliper and the refurbishment formula now. Have the brake caliper refurbished and finally, get the brake caliper back in a new condition status.